Hello, welcome to Dana's Book Club. I'm Dana, and today we're going to read a book about Clifford, and it is called Clifford the Big Red Dog by Norman Bridwell. I'm Emily Elizabeth, and I have a dog. My dog is a big red dog. Other kids I know have dogs too. Some are big dogs. And some are red dogs. But I have the biggest, reddest dog on our street. This is my dog Clifford. We have fun together. We play games. I throw a stick and he brings it back to me. He makes mistakes sometimes. We play hide and seek. I'm a good hide and seek player. I can't find Clifford no matter where he hides. We play camping out, and I don't need a tent. He can do tricks too. He can sit up and beg. Oh, I know he's not perfect. He has some bad habits. He'd run after cars. He catches some of them. He runs after cats too. We don't go to the zoo anymore. He digs up flowers. Clifford loved to chew shoes. It is not easy to keep Clifford. He eats and drinks a lot. His house was a problem too, but he is a very good watchdog. The bad boys don't come around anymore. One day I gave Clifford a bath, and I combed his hair and took him to the dog show. I like to say Clifford won first prize, but he didn't. Look, this dog won first prize, and Clifford won second prize. I don't care. You can keep all your small dogs. You can keep all your black, white, brown, and spotted dogs. I'll keep Clifford. I'll keep Clifford, wouldn't you? The end. I hope you like this story. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe down to our channel. Thanks for visiting Dana's Book Club. Bye!